Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Susie Starfish, and as you can see, I'm pretty excited to have finished the illustrations for my very first picture book called The Great Barrier Thief. And I thought I'd take you on a quick journey to see the illustrations and what they look like. Now this is my art studio, which is really a laundry that I've converted into an art studio, but it's a lovely place to paint. These are my paints and my palette, and it's on top of a laundry, but as you can see, you can create wonderful things in a small space. And my process for illustration is to use pencil, then pen, and then fill in the paintings with beautiful watercolors. As you can see, watercolor really gives that wonderful, vibrant colors and the motion of the ocean. And as an artist, you always have to follow your heart. And this is what a 32-page children's picture book looks like in terms of the illustrations. As you can see, a lot of time and effort has been put into these illustrations. It's quite the process, but in my world I'm very, very lucky to have a number of creative companions that help me along the way. And as you can see, that's my Great Dane Jack and my little Westie Fergus. They're a little tired because it's been quite a long process to get to the end of over 32 illustrations. Now the process, as I mentioned, is a lengthy one. It could take about 6 to 12 months to actually finish the illustrations for a children's picture book, because there's many revisions and a lot of thought has to go into the words and the pictures for a picture book. So this is what it looks like. This is the Great Barrier Thief with all the illustrations, and I'm just going to focus in here on the front cover. That's the front cover reveal. And that's the final product, The Great Barrier Thief, written and illustrated by Dr. Susie Starfish. I hope you've enjoyed my illustration journey. See you again soon, and best fishes.